Play Octopus just made a major change. So why did they do it, and what does that mean for those of us that have Play Octopus tablets? Let's discuss. So I received this email on December 30th of last year. It says Octopus is updating the tablet rewards program to focus on Uber Journey TV trips. Starting January 6, 2026, here's what's changing. All tablet rewards will apply exclusively to Uber rides connected to Journey TV. Per trip rate is increasing from 1 point to 1.5 points, and the classic Octopus experience will remain available for entertainment only and will no longer earn point rewards for gameplay or other activity. And honestly, when I saw this email, I was a bit confused. I was not familiar with what Uber Journey TV was. I didn't know what that meant. I was vaguely familiar with it, but I've known for a while now that each Uber passenger has had a more personalized experience with the tablet. For each of those rides, the Play Octopus tablet is kind of an extension of what they could see in their Uber app on their phone. But again, I didn't know this was called Uber Journey TV, but I'm familiar with it now, and all these Uber rides are now called Uber Journey TV rides. So what does this mean for all of us drivers that have a Play Octopus tablet? On January 6th, all tablet rewards started applying exclusively to Uber rides connected to Journey TV. Again, the trip rate is increasing from 1 point to 1.5 points, and the classic Octopus experience will remain available for entertainment only and will no longer earn points for gameplay or other activity. So for every Uber ride that you give now, you get 1.5 points. Previously it was just 1 point, but for every Lyft ride we give now, we get nothing. We get no points for those. And how does the updated point system work? Again, when you complete an Uber Journey TV trip, you'll earn 1.5 points, and you still get $25 for every 250 points earned. And we will no longer earn 0.5 game points or points for non-Uber Journey TV trips. And also your Uber account must be linked with your Octopus account to complete Uber Journey TV trips. So the only points we can earn now are on Uber Journey TV trips. We earn 1.5 points for each one of those trips. We no longer get a 0.5 point if the passenger interacts and plays the game, and we no longer get a point when we give a Lyft ride. So overall, this is not good for drivers that multi-platform. If you're driving for Uber and Lyft, you're going to get points for those Uber trips, but not for your Lyft trips. But for those drivers that are exclusive to Uber, this is better for you. You're going to earn 1.5 points per ride versus just 1 point before. And I did an analysis of last year. I gave 1,594 trips between both Uber and Lyft. 759 of those were on Uber and 835 of them were on Lyft. I earned 6 payouts that equates to $150, and under this new system I would have earned 4 payouts that equates to $100. So I earned $150 under the old system last year, and if the new system was in place, I would have earned $100, so I would have lost out on $50. And also recently, I've been giving almost double the amount of trips on Lyft versus Uber, so that makes it even worse. Now, what recourse do drivers have? What action can you take? If you want to stay with Play Octopus, you do need to connect your Uber account. And if you still need to connect your Uber account, you'll open the Play Octopus app, you'll select the account tab on the bottom right there, select Manage My Account, select Third-Party Linked Accounts, and I've already linked my Uber account, but if you haven't, you can do that from here. Now, if you're just fed up and you just want to send back the tablet, you'll open the Play Octopus app again, you'll again select the account tab on the bottom right, and then you'll select Return Tablet, and then you can go through the steps from there. Now, why did Play Octopus do this? Essentially, they've reached enough scale with drivers, they have enough drivers now, and their essential partnership with Uber has become more profitable to them than including Lyft rides in their program as well. And the Uber Journey TV integration gives them direct ride data and passenger information, so they can precisely target those ads, and that's more valuable to advertisers. So a quick overview. In order to earn points and earn money with the Play Octopus tablet now, you need to connect your Uber account. You earn 1.5 points for every Uber ride that you give. You earn no points if the passenger interacts with the tablet and plays a game, and you earn no points for every Lyft ride that you give. So again, for those of us that multi-platform and go back and forth between Uber and Lyft, this is not a good change, but for those of you that are exclusively Uber drivers, this is positive for you. But what do all of you think? Those of you with the Play Octopus tablet already, are you just going to send it back, or are you going to continue using it? For me personally, for now, I'm going to hang on to mine, but I am giving more Lyft rides than Uber rides. I'll see how that plays out going forward. I earned $150 with the tablet last year, but if it's substantially less this year and it's just not worth the hassle, I'm probably just going to send it back. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on how I recently had one of my best earnings weeks ever on Uber and Lyft, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.